Hey guys, so I'm back with this another video. Today we are going to do some very soft, very feminine makeup, everyday makeup look. So let's get started. So first thing, I'm clipping my hair back because skin prep मैंने already कर लिया है. And now I'm using the concoction of these two concealers. One is from Maybelline and another one is from Revlon. And I'm applying it on my usual areas as you can see here. And then I am going to just blend it, or I can say just like spread it out with my finger, because that way मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि ज़्यादा better coverage मिलती है और ज़्यादा better blend होता है. I think if you want to get natural finish under your eye, this is the best trick to get it, because anyways it's going to spread out evenly. और जब आप beauty blender से blend करोगे तो it's going to give you like very even coverage, and also it's going to look very natural. Yeah, it will be easy for you to blend with a beauty blender because ज़्यादा time लगना ही नहीं है इसको blend करने में. It's already blended. So yeah, for the rest of my face I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 128, and I'm going to apply this on the areas where I have not applied my concealer. So yeah, just to look like very even out base makeup and look very flawless, because anyways minimum product is going to be the theme for the rest of the year. So yeah, and now I'm just combing my brows and I am setting my face with some face powder from Faces Canada. This is the matte face powder one. I don't know the shade name, but trust me, this is the best face powder I've ever used, and this is the staple of my vanity. Now for the eye makeup, I'm using this bronzer. You can use any bronzer of your choice. Don't need to use whatever I'm using. So yeah, just take a bronzer and applying it on a crease line. This is literally the two eyeshadow look, and this is the very easy one. Trust me on that. And also on the outer part of my eye, I mean just drawing the eye shape, and also on the lower lash line, because we don't want to go crazy on the lower lash line. And now I'm going to take Maybelline nude blush palette, and I'm taking these two shades. Sorry, name nahi hai shade ka, but I'm just mixing these two shades, or I'm applying it on like inner part of my eye. This is very like rose gold with a hint of orange kind of a shade. I mean, you really can't put a finger on it, and it has very subtle shimmer to it, so it's not going to overpower your eye. And whenever you are in a doubt of what to do for eye makeup, just go for this eye makeup look. And also it has a kind of a universal thing, so it's going to look good with all of your outfits no matter what color you're wearing. So yeah, now I'm taking a bronzer brush and I'm just diffusing the edges of the shimmer one and intensifying a little bit on the outer part of my eye. Now I'm going to take the darkest shade from the same palette and I am going to draw a fake wing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a line of a wing. I'm going to apply a little bit on the inside just to make it look it's connected to the eyes and not just a very like a line of a dark shade. And also it's going to give me an illusion of like I have a very thinnest possible cat eye eyeliner on, but you can literally do a full-fledged glam eyeliner look on this one. Now for the blush, I'm using the Rimmel Baked Blush palette, and in the shade middle one, and it is a highlighter and a blush in a one, so it's kind of two in one thing, you know. Now I'm taking the same palette and I'm taking the lighter shade and I'm just highlighting my brow bone, because I wanted a very like subtle shimmer melted kind of a look on my brow bones, just to highlight them a little bit and a very subtle shimmer on them. Now I'm taking a clean fluffy brush and I am blending like pretty much everything. This trick will remove all the excess powdery thing and it's going to look very put together. And now for the lips, I am using this Swiss Beauty lip liner in the shade Choco Nude. They are the best lip liners, and Swiss Beauty is coming up with so many good products. So yeah, and I'm going to fill them in. Now for the main part, I am going to take a Miss Claire soft matte lip creme in the shade 42 and I'm applying it on like middle of my lips because I wanted a very K-drama-ish kind of a lipstick. And then I'm going to take the same two shades I have applied on my eyes, और मैं उसे literally अपने lips पे dust off कर लूँगी, I mean with brush. And yeah, so it will give like shimmery outer and a very matte inside of my lip, as you can see here. And I'm just touching up a little more with the same lip shade. So yeah, and you can use any lipstick with this look, but just keep in mind that use a subtle one, because anyway shimmer is going on our eyelids, so we need a very matte and subtle one. So this is the look complete, guys. I do not apply any false eyelashes, so I'm going to apply some mascara, and if you want to apply false lashes you can, but I just don't like it. It's just my choice. So yeah, this is the look complete, guys. The earrings are from Westside, and this is such a soft feminine everyday look that you can do pretty much any day or anytime. So yeah, this is the look complete, guys. I hope you like it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want more such content, please subscribe to my channel. And if you want me to do a particular kind of a video, please comment down below, and I will leave all the info in the description box below. Don't forget to check that out, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.